Hello everyone, I am Sheikh Naimuddin pursuing BCom final year in Nizam College. It is a part of partial fulfillment for the requirement for the award of degree of commerce, a project on Swift. Welcome to the 8th section of Swift programming language. In this section we're gonna be covering of while loops. In the last two sections we covered for loop and for in loops, which have a syntax to tell C compiler to do something for as many times as condition is true. However, when we come to while loops, we have to substitute different syntaxes. We have a while loop, and this actually means while a condition is true, do something, and then we have to do well. And this means do something while a condition is true. You see, there is a very subtle definition in this, and the way that works is that a while loop evaluates a condition before contributing on to execute this. This could be a time node or a count or a number or any other variable type that you want to test. So simplest example of this would be if I take this var count equals 0 and then I write out one count is less than 10. Good. Line count and then count, that's, but as you see over here, that's gonna do from 0 to 9. So it evaluates it and then continues. Let's just see what happened if you would want to test a while loop based on whether it is between a certain time interval. So, and I will take this way here and I'm going to create a few lines of code here. So gonna take our date equal to, and that's a date you will be familiar with. Thanks. If you come from Objective-C background and a state creates a new date, it gives me a time and a date. Then gotta create a future date, and I'm gonna do that by creating date by adding time interval, and then I'm going to add 1 second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a while loop, massive while date, compare future date, is equal to NS comparison result. So ordered ascending. I'm then going to say print line date is equal to date So what that's actually doing is it's taking a date, creating a new one, if then taking a future date and it's adding on a time interval, and while that is true, which is saying while the future date, this one that it is future in 1 second in the future is less than the original date. Sorry, while the new date is less than the future date, it's printing a line out, so it, and then it's resting the date, resetting the date. As you can see, this doesn't go on forever and it stops after 1 second. Now that's suggesting that you this kind of test again time basis, but it is a simple way of showing you that the while loop will keep going until such a time as the value is no longer true. Okay, thanks for this. In the next tutorial we're gonna be covering of the last of the loop statement, the do while. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more updates.